Hi, this is Glenn from Agile Equipment. The Ecozone Super ActivO ozone generator is used by the restoration industry to remove odours relating to mould, soot, fire and sewage to great effect. This is generally used as a post-remediation method to remove any lingering odours. It utilises patented technology that involves both an activation cycle, which adds ozone, and an automated deactivation cycle, which removes ozone from the air. Unlike other ozone machines on the market that only work up to 15% relative humidity, this product can work effectively up to 95% relative humidity. Let's take a look at how to use this machine.
We recommend when using the product that you ensure the premises is unoccupied. Please close every window and doors to unaffected areas and seal off any possible exit points for ozone to leak out, such as vents or gaps underneath doors. Please ensure entries and exits are locked and clearly labeled with warning signs that have no entry and details of the treatment. The Super ActivO is easy to operate. Once plugged in, the control panel should say when it's ready. The first step is to indicate the size of the room.
In this scenario, we are in an open living space connected to a few other rooms, so we will choose large.
Once this is complete, we need to choose the set time. The options are short, intermediate, and long. These differ in time according to the size of room that was selected before. The short option can be used for light odours, the long for strong odours, and intermediate for an option in between. For this scenario, we will choose long.
Notice the complete cycle time is 24 hours. This includes both the ozone generation and ozone removal process. Once the machine completes its cycle, the room is safe to enter with no ozone present. Once everything is set, press the green button to start the cycle.
The light will start flashing to indicate it is now operating, and the control panel will ask you to leave the room. For the first minute, the machine will blow out air, giving time for the user to exit the room. To stop the cycle and change settings, simply press the red button. Once pressed, you can start the selection process again, like before. When the ozone generation process starts, a short siren will sound. It will also sound at the end of the cycle. The amber light will stop flashing when the cycle finishes. With the Super ActivO, you can ensure that you are buying a reliable, highly efficient, easy to use ozone generator that not only generates ozone, but removes it as well. If you want a top quality product that reflects the premium service that you want to provide, then the Super ActivO ozone generator is the answer. Order now from agileequipment.com.au or ieqdirect.com.au. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us on our website or call 1-800-092-647. Thanks for watching.